you been thinking about trying our golden chai smoothie bomb?
Of course they have. Why wouldn't they?
So this is our immune boosting smoothie booster.
And what does that mean? That means it contains nutrients that help your immune system, like, for example, turmeric, which is anti-inflammatory, and
there's ginger, which is antiviral and antibacterial.
And also ginger helps with gut health and it reduces period pains. Did you know that?
That's good for us women.
Then we also have cinnamon and cardamom that are both anti-inflammatory. Cinnamon actually helps to reduce sugar cravings, and we all need that.
Yeah, definitely.
So apart from that, it just tastes delicious.
It's
if you are a chai tea lover, or even if you're not, you can't go past this one.
Yeah, it's sort of like gingerbread almost. It's really delicious.
Let's make one. Now I'm going to make my favourite recipe with this flavour. Basically, all you need to do is have some mango, some frozen banana, a bomb, and your choice of milk. Let me show you. Now, I always put in the frozen fruit first, so the mango, the banana, which bring along their own sets of delicious nutrients like vitamin C and potassium. It's all good for you. But once you add this beauty, it will increase its immune potential tenfold. So let's just crumble it in as best you can. Then you add your milk of choice. We love oat milk. About 250 mils. That should be about it. Then we put on the lid and for about a minute. So that's all it takes to get a delicious mango banana chai smoothie. So this is what it looks like, and it tastes delicious.
It's a really good thing to think of this flavour when you're feeling a bit run down as well.
Because of all those incredible nutrients in it, so you should just give it a go.